Hey everybody, it's Charmel. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm here with a first impressions video. So let's jump right into it. So today I'm going to be doing my first impressions on the ColourPop No Filter Complexion line. So if you don't know, ColourPop did just release a new line of foundations. They already had concealer, so foundations, setting powders, loose powders and pressed powders. So I went ahead and ordered me some stuff. The one thing I do like about ColourPop, they have really expanded their line over the years. So I have a decent amount of ColourPop products. So I'm just gonna make this a full face using ColourPop. I did purchase one of the foundations. I got 2 of the setting powders, also got one of the pressed powders, and then I got some setting spray, and I also picked up a few lip products. As far as my skin tone, the range of foundations is 0 to 100, so they do have a lot of different colors. My skin tone, I'm more in the medium deep type of complexion. So the one thing that sucks is that you have to order online, and it's really hard picking foundations online, but they do have it where you can kind of narrow down the colors that may work for you based on your skin tone. So they have like light, medium, dark, deep dark, and then within each category there's a subcategory of cool, warm, neutral. So the color that I ended up getting based on narrowing down with the subcategories, but I got dark 175. Figured it out. So I'm hoping that it works. I already have my brows done and my face primed just to save some time. So we're going to start with the foundation. Again, I got dark 175. I'm filming in natural lighting as well. I wanted to do this in the daytime where I had the most natural light, so I don't have to rely on my ring light, because the ring light does wash me out some, and so this is like my natural skin complexion. So we're gonna start. I'm just gonna take 1 pump. So this is how the color looks with a pump on my hand, and this is the color against my face. Then I'm going to use this stippling brush. I don't even know what brand this is. It came in one of my Etsy boxes a while ago. And I'm just going to start blending that out. And so I think I did a pretty good job on picking my color. As you can see as I blend it out, it's definitely like blending in perfectly with my skin tone. This foundation is advertised as a matte foundation, which is perfect for the summertime. As far as coverage goes, I'm not sure what it's advertised as, but I definitely prefer medium to sheer coverage, because like I mentioned before, I really don't have too many skin issues where I need like a lot of coverage, and when I do kind of wear full coverage type of products, like I just feel like it's just too much and I don't really prefer it on me. But yeah, this gives me a nice coverage. I don't know if you guys could tell before, I do have a burn mark right in this area on my forehead from curling my hair, and with just one pass over that little area, it did cover it up, and I did not put any like color corrector, any concealer or anything under this foundation. Like, this is the foundation right on top of my skin, and I think the coverage is nice. So this is with 1 pump. So now we're going to go into concealers. So I already had these concealers on hand. I have a few colors. They did recently kind of revamp, I guess, the names and how they label the colors. And in the color that I really liked, which is deep golden 60. So I'm gonna try to look on the website to see what color this is now listed under, because it's not listed under deep golden 60 anymore because they changed it. But this is what I'm gonna use. This is like gives me a nice natural highlight, and then I also have tan 50 that I like to use if I want a little more brighter highlight. So with that being said, I'm gonna go in with the deep golden and just highlight the other areas of my face. Now on to setting powder. So they came out with 3 setting powders. They have the like white translucent, they have banana, and then they have the deep dark color. So I struggle with setting powders because banana and translucent, they're always kind of too light for me, for my personal taste. And then like the deeper toned loose setting powders, they're always like too close to my skin tone where they don't really give me the highlight that I want. So I picked up two of them because I didn't know which one I wanted. So I got the banana, which you guys can see here. Like the banana is really light. And then I also got the medium deep. So on this side, I'm gonna use the banana, and this is how it looks. And then on my right side, I'm gonna use the medium deep. First side, and then on this side I'm gonna use the medium deep.
Yeah, as expected, this one is light. I mean, it has a little color to it. We'll see how they both set.
I feel like on camera it picks up more, but like when I'm looking in the mirror, it doesn't look like that much. I'm definitely gonna set my eyes with the banana because I'm gonna put on some eyeshadow today. And I think I'm just going to use the medium deep to set the other areas of my face. Like I don't think I need a super bright highlight for those areas. Again, this is the banana side, and this is the medium deep. I'm gonna do a super easy makeup look. I'm gonna use the color Cannonball. This is a ColourPop pressed eyeshadow, and I'm just going to apply that into my crease. And now I'm going to go in with the color, what is this? Paper Tiger. And so it's like this golden tan, just like a really neutral, natural skin tone color. And I'm just going to apply it all over my lid. Again, super natural eye look. So that's basically it for the eyes. I'm just gonna keep it simple. So yeah, I'm going to pop on some lashes and some eyeliner, and then I'll jump back on and finish the rest of my face. All right, and we're back. So I got my lashes and stuff on. Obviously these lashes are not ColourPop. If y'all not already working on it, ColourPop, that needs to be our next move. Get us some affordable lashes. But I realized I forgot to contour, so I'm gonna use this ColourPop Sculpting Stick in the color Platonic, and it's just like a really warm, deep chocolate brown. So I'm just gonna do some light contouring. Then to bronze, I'm going to use the ColourPop. What color is this? I think I've used it before. I'll have to go like look through some of my old videos and see what color it is because it's not on here. But yeah, it's a bronzer. And now to set the rest of my face and just to make sure everything is blended nicely together, I'm going to use the No Filter Sheer Press Powder. I got it in the darkest color, and I don't know what that's called right now. Oh, deep dark. So I got it in the darkest color, which is deep dark. And I already opened it to kind of look at it, and it does look a little on the light side. I don't know. It looks kind of close to my skin. It looks pretty close. We'll see. But this is a sheer powder, and I think the color is definitely, it's a match for me. But being that this is the darkest color and that there are tons of women who are deeper than I am, yeah, I feel like they need to amp it up just a little bit. But as far as my complexion goes, I think that this is a nice color for my skin. So I don't know if you can really tell a difference, honestly, between the banana and the medium deep. I guess the banana does give me a, yeah, the banana does have a slightly, like, I don't know if it's picking up on camera, but when I look in my mirror, I can definitely tell that the banana is a little more highlighted compared to the medium deep. Like the way the light's hitting me on camera, it looked pretty similar, but in real life, like in my mirror, I can definitely see a difference. I think they actually both work for me. I guess it just depends on the look that I'm going for. I do not own any ColourPop blushes, so I'm just gonna skip blush altogether today. So we're gonna jump into highlight. I don't really have that many ColourPop highlights either. So I have this one, which is Chiro Super Shock Cheek, but I've never really worn it because I really don't like, it's a bit too champagne-y and ashy for me. So I'm gonna go in with my old school Glo Up from the Karichi collaboration, and mine is really old and beat up. When I work with the Super Shock Cheeks, I like to use a sponge as well. I feel like this is just easier to apply than trying to use like a brush, because it does have that soft kind of creamy, just a soft texture. So I just feel like they blend easier with a sponge. So to set everything, I'm going to use the face spray, Amber Crystal setting spray. And to finish this look off, we're just going to do the lips. So I picked up a few new lippies. I got 2 liquid matte lipsticks, and then I also got a lip gloss. I do not own a ColourPop lip pencil, so I'm just going to use my old faithful brown lip pencil just to line my lip. The first one is And Chill. It is a deep mocha brown kind of lip. So I'll swatch it for you guys. And then I also got a red lip, which is Snowfleek, just like a classic red. And then I got a lip gloss, an ultra glossy lip, which is in the color Julebi, and it's like this pretty brown color, which I think will be really pretty against my brown skin. It's just a gloss. I rarely do lips. I mean, I rarely do lipsticks, and I always do like glosses. So I think I'm gonna go with the red today. So here is the final look with my full face using ColourPop and trying out their new no filter products. So I'll say that as far as the color matching goes, I did a pretty good job for picking my colors. So yeah, I really like the way that the foundation feels on my face so far. It's very lightweight. It only took me one pump to do my entire face. I don't feel like I have a lot of like product on my face right now. It feels really really lightweight and natural. Between the setting powders, I was surprised I would like the banana. I usually do not like banana toned setting loose powders because I feel like they always ash me out. But once I blended everything and I let it bake, I feel like this set in really good on my skin tone. The medium deep was nice as well. However, it was really natural, like I said sometimes. So it set nicely, but it was just really natural. But I can see myself using both of these in the future. Thank you all for watching. Let me know if you guys have tried the ColourPop foundations yet and how you like them. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and just stay tuned for more videos. Alright, so that's it. I'll see you guys.